What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Deja welcoming you back to Clockwise Crypto, where we bring you the latest crypto news and show you how to make money in the crypto space. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification just so you're alerted every time we drop these videos. All right, so jumping right into it, we're going to look at the crypto fear and greed meter. And today it reads neutral. It was neutral yesterday and also today. And last week it was greed. Okay, so neutral is an okay point. So we're going to look at what crypto has been doing since last week. And we're going to talk about a potential project that you guys could invest in potentially. Okay, so diving right into our first subject. We're going to talk about how Solana prices, they're soaring to $122.36 at the time of the particular article, and it says ready to break higher. It actually did. Now, the price of Solana, it's been trading at a high throughout last week, reaching as much as $143 on this past Saturday before facing some resistance around $139 price point. However, the bullish trend is still in place for the next 24 hours. Now, with the market capitalization at $1,856,591 and volume swelling at $1,746,810 over the past 24 hours, it's clear that it is attributed to buying pressure in this time period. Now, the immediate support at around $128, the Solana price has been trading above that. So we're going to look at the Solana price. Let's go ahead and jump into that one. Okay. So just so we have a visual. Okay. All right. So if we go ahead and look at the price point, we see that it's been trading above the 128 price mark for the last few days, okay, and it's expected to reach new highs in the next couple of days. Now, the price of Solana has been steadily climbing, and its current rank moved from the 8th position on CoinMarketCap to 6th place. Now, investors can now consider buying Solana at the current prices for short-term gains, okay? So just keep this in mind, because right now it is on bullish. It is bullish, which is good, and it did do a minor pullback. So this is a great opportunity to get this into your portfolio if it isn't already. All right, Solana is doing great things, and that move from 8th place to 6th place really says some things, okay? Okay, so jumping into our next story, we're going to talk about Cardano. We're big Cardano fans on this channel, okay? This one says Cardano witnesses institutional demand as large transactions skyrocket. Okay. Now, the leading crypto analytics firm says institutional investors appear to be buying in bulk into global payments platform Cardano. Now, in a breaking tweet, it has been announced that the volume of ADAs, which is Cardano, the abbreviation, on-chain transaction is greater than 100K, increased by 50 times in 2022 alone. Now, in just 24 hours, the majority of the on-chain ADA volume has moved in large transactions. 69 billion ADAs were transferred 4 days ago, representing 99% of all big moves. Now, the last several months have not been kind to Ethereum's competitor. And ADA is up more than 12% in just 11 days and nearly 29% from where it was priced like 1 month ago. Now, the 7th ranked crypto asset by market cap is trading at $1.21 and is up 2.52% in the past 24 hours. Now, though it's still down 61% from its all-time high of $3, that was reached just last September last year. Now, crypto analyst Michael Vandy Poppy is telling his 500K Twitter followers that he thinks this could be about that Cardano could be about to run into a price resistance. All right, so if we go ahead and look at the charts, and look at Cardano, let's go here. We can see it's already at, here's the resistance where it is right now. So I'm going to draw right here. So it's struggling to get past the $1.23 price mark. Okay, now price has continued to go up, running into resistance, and it may continue towards $1.45. But Michael said that he wouldn't chase it that long. Okay, so we're gonna see. That's right now. It's probably going to test this minor support level before we see it break this resistance level. So right now it's just been consolidating in this area, but we'll follow it to see what Cardano is going to be doing. Okay, I'm a big fan, have a lot of Cardano in my wallet, so I pray that price continues to shoot up. All right, also, if you haven't gotten it, you are in a good spot. You could get in when it reaches a little bit lower here, or if it reaches here, this will be a good prime area to get in. Still early, so it's still a good price to get in at what, $1.10. So if it comes back and tests this support, you still should, this is still a good area for you to get in, and you should still get it in your portfolio if you don't have it already. Okay, now jumping into our next story, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin continues to consolidate above $47,000. All right, so if we go ahead and look at Bitcoin, we're going to see. Now I drew, let's come down a little bit. Okay, so I drew a box here, I think the week before last, and saying it was consolidating. It dropped down, tested this support level, came up and started testing this resistant level, and it hasn't been able to break this level just yet. Okay, so now it's consolidating on a minor support level right here. So we're just going to have to wait. I thought maybe after the weekend it would probably break this level, this minor support, retest it before shooting up to test this resistance level of 51,000, almost 51,500. Now the Bitcoin price is currently trading inside this short-term box right here. All right, now technical indicators suggest that it could break out above this area, this resistance area in the near future. So fingers crossed, because when Bitcoin breaks, all the other coins tend to follow. All right, now Bitcoin continues to move upwards since January 24th, and it's currently trading in the upper part of an ascending parallel channel, which indicates that it could continue to go up, which I think it will. All right, now Bitcoin has reached its all-time high of $48,181 on March 28th. All right, now the resistance, like I said, is 51,500. Now this can be considered an important confluence of price action for this market. All right, now with price continuing to rise, technical indicators are showing strong signs of bullish trend. So we're still bullish. As you can see, we're still above this moving average. So right now it's just doing a little consolidating. So let's see how it where Bitcoin's going to be by towards the end of this week. Okay, so we'll check back in with Bitcoin. All right, so on to our final story. We're going to talk about C2Fi project ChangeX fills ICO quota 2 months above schedule. All right, so the hybrid DeFi project ChangeX has reached its initial ICO hard cap quota in only 25 days, which is 2 months ahead of schedule. Now, the public sale for the Change token offered at 1 cent, well, a little more than 1 cent per token, is still open to all existing investors or newcomers until May 31st. And it enters into oversubscription territory with a fixed price that may rise due to increased demand once it hits this milestone. Now, the Change token will be the utility and the governance token for ChangeX, which is a DeFi app that merges crypto finance into one space. Now, at its center lies an easy entry point to decentralization of finances with their non-custodial wallet, which has all tools needed when navigating in this world. Now, the wallet comes with a personal IBAN and a SEPA integration. Now, a crypto Visa card it also comes with, cross-chain functionality, and various DeFi tools, including the first ever leverage staking tool. Okay, now the Change token will be based on an HRC20 token, which is the Hydra chain, and it's designed to maintain a deflationary nature. Now, holders of the Chain token will be airdropped rewards for staking the POS asset in the app, and they have a APR ranging from 65% to 80%, which that's pretty high. It's a pretty high APR. Now, these DeFi tools are available to access very easily. Now, the public sale of the Change token continues until May 31st on the ChangeX website with a fixed price, like I said, of 1 cent. Very low. Still very early for you to get in, okay? Now, ChangeX has designed a one-stop shop for traders, stakers, and lenders. They want to make it easy with an experienced team that is versed in all things crypto, okay? So seems like a really cool project. I actually was actually in the middle last week of putting this in my portfolio, got sidetracked, and I'm actually going to try to do that within the next day or two. But definitely want to get this because it has great utility behind it. And always when I invest in projects, with any project, you want to make sure it has a good solid utility behind it, and this definitely does. All right, so do your research, check it out. Like I said, it's still early. 1 cent, I mean, come on, if it goes to 50 cents, oh my God, can you imagine your investment? All right, so check it out. And that's pretty much all we have to cover for today. I want to thank you guys for joining me. Go ahead and like this video and share it with other crypto mind enthusiasts. And I will check you guys tomorrow. All right. Bye.